Hey guys, today we bring you another unboxing video, and this time we have the JBL Clip speakers. As you can see here, this is the packaging. This as you can see here, it's a rechargeable portable wireless speaker by JBL. It supports Bluetooth. Also, Red Dot Award 2014 winner. Here are the specs, the back of the product. See here, stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth. So it's actually the first Bluetooth speaker that we have. So I'm ready to open these packs now and see what's inside. So shows here what's inside the box. So it's time to open the box. So here is the speaker itself. Here's the 3.5mm connector for unbox this thing. We have here this is the charger. Other contents. Here we have the manual. Quick start guide. Also the package contents. The speaker itself, the connectors, and a short illustration how I could connect the speaker to using via Bluetooth, of course. Here's the product warranty. I think this is the another manual. It's the product information. This is the important safety instructions. So listed here that all the safety instructions for the product. So we go right here to the speaker itself. How do I remove this? I'll just remove this. There. This is the speaker itself. As you can see, here is the JBL logo. Here is the 2.5mm connector. Oh. Yeah. So this is probably it. Yeah. So I guess it is already on, or that's probably on for the Bluetooth. This is the on button for the Bluetooth. So this is probably it. This is the speaker, manual, product. That's it. So if you like this video and you want me to unbox other products, other technology products that you want to see, just leave some comments down below, and also subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and cheers.